The next we continue with the best practices for the big data analytics. A business is a was in data and also big data analytics program meant to make sense of this data and applying it toward competitive advantages. A recent gathered the study found that more than 75% of business either use the big data or plan to spin it up within the next 2 years. Not all a big data analytics operations are created equal. However, there is the plenty of noise around big data, but some big data analytics initiatives still do not capture the bulk of useful business intelligence and others struggles getting off the ground. For the business currently struggling the data or still planning their approach, here are 5 best practices for the effectively using the big data analysis. The first thing is an start at the end. The second thing is an build an analytic culture. The third one is an re-engineer data systems for analytics and focus on useful data is land iterate after. The first thing is start at the end. The most successful big data analysis operations start with the uh, pressing questions that need answering and work background. While technology consideration can steal the focus, the utility comes from starting with the problems and figuring out how big data can help find a solution. There are many directions that most business can take their data, so the best operation let key the questions drive the process and not the technology tools themselves. The second thing is an build an analytic culture. It is a change management and training are important components of the good big data analytics program. For greatest impact, employees must think in terms of data and analytics, so they turn to it when developing a strategy and solving business problems. This requires a considerable adjustment and in both how employees can business operate. The training also is key, so employees know how to use the tools that make sense of the data. The best big data system is useless if employees cannot functionality use it. When approach the big data analytics programs uh, with the same mindset as any other analytics or transformational program, you must address the people, the process and technology in the organization rather than just the data and technology. Be ready to change the work way you work. The big data has the power of transform user entire business, but only if you are flexible and prepared to be open the changes. The third thing is a re-engineer uh, data system for analytics, uh, and increasing the range of volume of devices now generate a data, creating the substantial variation both in the source and type of data. An important component of successful big data analytics program is the re-engineering the data pipeline, so data gets to where it need to be and in a form that is useful for the analysis. The many existing systems were are not developed by today's of big data analysis needs.